How to see old Google Maps street views. So simply open the Google Maps and find the location where you want to see older street views. So for example, San Francisco, choose any random location. In right down corner area, grab this little man and grab it to the place where you want to see the older street view. So for example, here. So this is the McAllister Street in San Francisco, California. You can see the street, and in the left upper corner area you can see that this was taken in February 2025 and it was taken by Google Street View. So try if you can see here, see more dates, and here you can find previously taken older street view. So for example, this one was taken in March 2014. So you can see also there is November 2007 and it looked like this. So you can try another place. For example, I'm gonna go to Portland and grab this little man, orange, and this is the Southeast Woodward Street in Portland, Oregon. Also, it was taken by Google Street View. Click on see more dates. It was taken in April 2025 and select the older street view, for example, July 2011. And it looked like this. So you can simply go here and you will still see in this date this street. So it's pretty simple. Some places cannot be shown in older street views, so you can try and check your city or your street how it looked like in the past. Let me know down below in comment section if you found some place of the street view before the July 2007. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and see you next time.